Hello, people. So there is this particular, there was this show called Love, Lust and Confusion that stars Tara, Alisha, Berry, and a host of others. And really, this show came on this app called View, VIU, and it is a very it gives you a glimpse into modern day Bengal. Like, I think what Rabindranath Tagore did for ancient Bengal, or whatever, in Kolkata of those times, this particular series, I think it's Pratish Nandi Productions, so, but honestly, it's the kind of writing that this show involves. I mean, there's season 1, season 2. It is very to be really honest, it is hard to digest because it is so like like these adult scenes are like unlimited, but go and try and catch it, people. It is, I watched the show just for Tara, Alisha, Berry, because no matter how twisted her character as it is written in the story, she brings a certain vulnerability to her performance, such that you are rooting for her. You like her so much, Tara, Alisha, Berry, and that's the hallmark of a good artist, I think, that they make their characters so, no matter with all its grays and its flaws and all of it, in the end it's lovable. So try and catch it, people. It's called Love, Lust and Confusion, and it's on View. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.